Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to connect Instagram to Messenger. So the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Messenger application. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now click on the gear icon. And then scroll down until you see the account center and click on it. Now click on the profiles of the connected experiences and then click on add accounts. Okay, now you will be redirected to log in your Instagram. Okay, you just have to fill this out, your phone number or username and then your password. So right after that, you just have to click on login, and from there you'll be able to connect your Instagram to Messenger, and that's it. That's how you can do it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.